In this video, we're going to install the application MapInfo Pro. This application is a desktop mapping application that enables you to perform spatial data analysis. We will go through the standard installation process. Before we begin, we need to ensure we have available a number of items that will be required during the installation. Here's a quick list of the things we will need. Installation media files. These can be downloaded using the link in the PB Fulfillment email. The serial number and access code. These are contained on the product activation card or in the email from the PB Fulfillment team. Ensure the environment meets the minimum and recommended hardware requirements as listed in the documentation. And there are a number of software dependencies or prerequisites which are listed in the install guide. They are not mandatory to begin the installation. If the installer detects that they are not present on your system, they will be installed as part of the installation process. Once we've downloaded the installation media, we can start the installer. It is best to right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator. We will install MapInfo Professional and the Introductory Datasets. Let's start with MapInfo Professional. The installer has reviewed our local environment and determined that some of the necessary prerequisites are not available. They need to be installed before we can continue. Once these items are installed, we can commence installation of the main application. First, there are some details we need to complete. License agreement. Review and accept the terms of the license agreement. Username, organization, serial number, and access code. These details will all be included in your order fulfillment email or on the product activation card. Using the serial number and access code, the application will communicate with the Pitney Bowes license server to obtain a license. Alternatively, you can install under an evaluation license, which allows full use of the product for the evaluation period. You can enter your serial number and access code at any time during the evaluation period. Typical or custom. Typical applies to the most common settings for features installed. If you have specific requirements, select Custom and follow the prompts to modify the default settings. Location of files on your local file system. Click Next to accept the default or change if you'd like to install to a custom location. Once these items are complete, click Install to begin installation of the application. Installation of the main application can take several minutes or even longer. Once complete, we are prompted to check online for any maintenance releases of minor patch updates. To save time, we haven't selected this for the video today, but the process is a quick check to ensure that all the latest updates are applied. With the application now installed, let's finish up by installing the introductory datasets. This will give us a set of global map layers for use in our spatial analysis. Returning to the main installer, select Install Introductory Data and Industry Samples. Select Install Introductory Data and Industry Samples. Once the install process has completed, the install wizard will exit and you are ready to use the application with the included introductory datasets.